There was a time when flying felt like entering a five-star restaurant in the sky. White tablecloths, crystal glassware, prime rib carved mid-flight. In the 1950s, airlines didn't compete on ticket prices. They competed on luxury. Those extravagant meals were built without today's standards. Wild caviar, overfished lobster, carbon-heavy beef. Can we recreate this menu sustainably? In 1955, flying wasn't casual. Passengers dressed in suits and cocktail dresses. Dinner was an experience. Airlines served multi-course meals on porcelain plates. It was theater. Sustainability wasn't part of the conversation. Recreating this menu presents a problem. Wild sturgeon populations collapsed. Industrial cattle farming increased emissions. Our mission was clear: honor the past, respect the present, redefine indulgence. We began with an original 1950s airline menu. Starter, caviar canapé. Main course, roast prime rib. Lobster thermidor. Desserts, baked Alaska. Every ingredient must be sustainably sourced. We recreated cabin conditions. Altitude affects flavor perception. First bite, the caviar canapé. Next, the prime rib. The lobster thermidor surprised us. And then the baked Alaska. The sustainable ingredients enhanced it. In the 1950s, luxury meant excess. Today, luxury might mean responsibility. Culinary archaeology isn't just nostalgia. The future of fine dining refines history.